Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Ford from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for October 11th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, significant selling across the board from start to finish today. It was ugly, all kicked off by Alcoa. Actually, let's have a look at that chart first. Earnings early this morning, disappointed, came in less than expected, and boy, did the market punish Alcoa for that. A huge miss here. I mean, actually, the miss wasn't that huge. I think they came in at 32 cents versus unexpected 36 cents, something like that. But the market punished them big time. So if this sets the tone for the remainder of the earnings season, it is going to be a very difficult next few weeks. Having a look at the index charts, the Dow finished lower by 200 points. The S&P 500 was down 27 and the Nasdaq was down 81 points. So this really did feel like it was legit. I mean, we talked about low volume in yesterday's session and how we really shouldn't put much weighting into that candle. Well, today's move was for real. Significant volume, higher than average across the board, and some real selling. There was also a chart pattern in the S&P that we haven't seen in a very long time, and it happened on the weekly chart. And if you look at this, a multi-day inside bar formation here. So if we mark the high and the low of basically 3 weeks ago, the September 19th week here, you can see that we had the past couple of weeks 2 weekly bars that were completely within that high and low. That hasn't happened since 2008, February, I believe it was 2008, and we all know what happened after that, the big crash. And now this week so far, I mean, we've traded below that low, but we certainly haven't closed beneath there. What this means is whenever we do finally get a close outside one of these lines here, that should be the next direction. And the longer this goes on, the bigger that move should be. So it's something that we need to keep a close eye on here moving forward. The Russell also turning around very quickly here and dropping. TLT was down. I mean, it fluctuated back and forth, but finished lower by about 30 cents. Gold was down about 6 points, and crude was down about 56 cents at the official close for crude. So we will keep an eye on that weekly formation on the S&P, but really today's sell-off had a lot to do with uncertainty and with the election, the Fed, I mean, across the board uncertainty. And tomorrow afternoon we will get the FOMC minutes out. And we'll see what that does to the markets. Until then, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.